Welcome to Bangalore Cantonment, Prasanti Express, and a small accident. A passenger falls from a moving train. Watch the sequence. The passenger now falls. He gets up, picks up his bags. You can see that he picks up his bags.
Falling from the train.
Walks to the carriage and then gets into the carriage. Then we don't know what really happens. Let's take a closer look. Everybody is getting down from the train, and I'm moving towards that coach. I think the RPF should come by now to have a look at what happens or what happened. Everyone is interested in to see what really happened. That's why the passenger got into the carriage. You can see some eatables have fallen. There the RPF is. Something is falling on the floor, and RPF is now asking questions on what the passengers saw. Let me take a different view. And the RPF gets into the carriage. I think the passenger got in and then got out from the other door. We don't know because the RPF has not found anybody there, it looks. The train departs now from Bangalore Cantonment, that is Prasanti Express to Bhubaneswar. 2:20 departure from Bangalore, hauled by a Lalaguda WAP4. WAP7, I'm sorry. Prasanti Express is gone now, and then the RPF is still there asking questions on what happened, and he's moving away, going to the shop now. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon with more videos, and have a pleasant